Here's the scenario. You're sitting at the stoplight and your brake pedal slowly going to the floor. Not a good thing. You know, when it comes to your brakes and all your fluids, peace of mind is key. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. We're talking about the brakes and the master cylinder. Let's start out with the basics. There's two types of systems. Since 1967, we had to split them up. What do? Well, we have a longitudinally split system. Now that's either your front wheels are on one system and your rear wheels are on the other system. Now the other one, that's a diagonally split system. That means that the right front is paired together with the left rear, and the left front is paired together with the right rear. Now what's going on in those two channels? Well, let's take a look inside this master cylinder right here. You can see it. There's two different chambers. This is the high pressure chamber and this is the low pressure chamber. So you have a primary piston and a primary seal, and this is the high pressure chamber. You have a secondary piston and you have a primary seal and a secondary seal. Now the primary seals is what we're worried about when it starts to go to the floor. What's happening is this high pressure chamber and this high pressure chamber is filled up with pressure, and it's actually bleeding by the seal into the low pressure chamber, hence that pedal slowly going to the floor. So what do you need to do? Well, you have to replace your brake master cylinder and then go ahead and flush the system. Now to do that, I'm going to give you a tech tip. You always want to bench bleed that master cylinder. How do you do it? It's real simple. Just take some lines, go ahead and string them up into the master cylinder, and then you can start bench bleeding it. I can show it to you right here in action. You just push in and out on it. Once you're doing that, you're getting all the bubbles and all the air out of those chambers I just showed you. Why do you want to do that? So you don't send them all down the line. Keep bleeding it till all the bubbles are gone. Now when it comes to brakes, Len, peace of mind is key. Fluids too. You guys are all about peace of mind at AMSOIL.
Yeah, that's correct. We look at the equipment and what its appetite, if you will, is for product itself, and then we adjust the formulary to suit those needs. So fuel additives, you're looking for deposits. For engine oils, we adjust it based on what it's going into. If it's a motorcycle, we're looking at clutch performance. We're always looking at general protection, but we like to adjust and adapt to that particular piece of equipment's needs. So peace of mind is big in AMSOIL.
Now you're not just a pretty face. I mean, you're also involved with this testing. You guys build engines and you do some rigorous testing.
That's correct. I'm directly involved with some of the testing. Pick your product, and we test the heck out of it. We put it in situations that your average person is never going to put it in to be sure that the oil is performing as we describe.
Now I said earlier, peace of mind is key. So if you want that peace of mind, just go to AMSOIL.com.